If you're like me, you see the world differently. Everywhere you go, you see objects and think to yourself, man, I'd really like to scan that object. And then you look back and realize that one object is calling out to you and you just really need to scan it. Well, now with Artec Studio 20, you have the ability to do this whenever that need arises. So today we're going to scan this broom using Artec Studio 20 and a simple iPhone. The approach is to scan from as many directions as possible, which means you're simply just going to walk around the object. Changing the height is a good idea, as well as coming in close to capture a little bit more texture. What you're trying to do here is just solve all the line of sight problems, so the software is going to be able to reconstruct a 3D model that has as much detail as possible. Here's a black object. Black objects typically are harder to scan just because the amount of light that comes into the sensor, in this case an iPhone, is not as much as something of a different color. So let's go ahead and take a look at the results. All right, here's the results. We were able to reconstruct using Artec Studio 20. You can see that the black broom scanned in pretty well. We have the wing nut detail here, as well as you can see some of the manufacturer's logos and textures there. I think the clips here that make it attached to the broom handle came in really well. Again, we're just using an iPhone here. I also think that the detail on the bristles here of the broom came in really well for using just a simple setup. The black handle came in and we were able to get some texture up on the grip as well.